welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. These are my adorable nieces, Maggie and Chloe. And today we are going to be making chicken wings! Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today, I'm in my little niece's kitchen in Chicago. These are my adorable twin nieces. This is little Maggie and this is Chloe. And today, we're going to be making chicken wings. And not just any chicken wings. We're actually preparing an Indian feast for my sister-in-law's family who's coming over later. And we decided to make Silken chicken wings. These are Reshmi kebab chicken wings. They're going to be light and slightly spicy and super delicious. So, the first thing we have is chicken wings, okay? This is about 2 pounds. I'm just going to add a little bit of lemon juice. Do you want to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice? Yeah. Come on, you can do it. Just squeeze a little bit. Ding, 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 ding. With sound effects. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Then we're going to put in a little bit of salt. Coco, do you want to help me? Just put 1 teaspoon, like just a little bit, and just put it all over. Good job. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, next. We've got, you know what this is, guys? No. Okay, this is called Kasuri Methi. It's basically like it's like a vegetable. Well, no, it's like a herb, okay? And then you dry it, and then you crush it, okay? And when you crush it, it has like an even better smell. I think she likes the smell. Okay, we're also going to add some ginger and garlic paste. Okay, this is going to make it really delicious. And I have some spices in here. I have a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of cumin, that's okay, and a little bit of chili powder. Okay, I'm going to put that in. I know it looks spicy, but trust me, it's going to be fun. We're also going to add a little bit of green chili and coriander. Do you want to put that in? Just put the coriander in. Don't touch the green chili. Just put the coriander in. Here, this one. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Want to put some in, Max? Okay, I'm going to get the chili in. And now we want to make sure that it's not spicy, right? Because we want to make sure that your family can eat it, right? Without us having to hose them down. We have some cashew nut paste. Do you know what cashew nuts are? No. These are cashew nuts. Look. They're very delicious. Want to try one? Try it. It's good. Maggie wants to try. No. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put in a teaspoon of cashew nut paste. This is going to make the chicken wings really rich and delicious, okay? Then we're also going to add a little bit of yogurt.
Why do they make money?
Who makes money?
The thing. The chicken wings.
The chicken wings?
You said it would be rich.
Oh, yeah, rich. That's right. I meant rich in taste. You know, so when you eat it, like it's like, oh my God, this is so delicious. I'm also going to add a little bit of cream.
No, it's like milk carton.
It is, but it's actually whipping cream. So it's like thick cream. And I'm going to add a little bit of mustard oil. Okay, if you don't have mustard oil, don't worry about it. You can just use regular oil. Now, did I forget anything? No. Now we need to mix it. So who's going to help me?
Me.
Okay, you can take turns. And just be careful not to splatter all over your mom's nice white countertop, okay?
How do I do that?
So you do this, okay. You hold it here and you just mix it like that. Can you do that?
Okay.
Try. Good job.
So fluffy.
It is. You want to try now, Coco? Okay. Okay, we're going to mix it. And literally that's it. So I made some yesterday because obviously we have a lot of family members coming over and this much isn't going to be enough. So you put it in the fridge overnight and this is what it looks like. It's golden and delicious. And then we're going to put it on the barbecue and we're going to cook it. Maggie! 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 What happened to you? Maggie! She's gone. Okay. Anyway, we're now going to barbecue it and then we're going to see how it tastes. The chicken wings have been barbecued. They're absolutely delicious. Everybody is going to enjoy it today at our Indian feast. Thank you so much for joining me and my little munchkins for this incredible video for Silken Wings or Reshmi Wings. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to follow me behind the scenes on all my social channels as well. Until I see you next time, do take care. Namaste.
I'm a chicken.